Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete a contact on Revolut. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is launch your Revolut app. And once you launch your app, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is on your interface, and on the bottom bar you'll be seeing there are three options, that is Revolut, Transfer and Hub. Simply tap on Transfer, and once you tap on Transfer, here you can see all of your recipients listed right there. Now in order to delete a contact, what you need to do is just simply select the contact that you want to delete or the recipient that you want to delete, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to the message section. Now you can either tap on the name of the recipient or tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, which is right here, or your recipient's rep tag. You can select either options and then proceed, and once you do that, you'll be seeing the contact details of the selected recipient. Now under authentication, if you have the options to delete, then simply tap on the delete option, or if you just have the option to block, then simply tap on block. And that's basically how you can delete a contact on Revolut. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.